Hello guys, today we'll learn how to make this circuit using Arduino, an LED, a resistor, and a push button. We're going to integrate a push button, so keep on to the end so that you can finish the circuit and learn it. So let's start. First, take out an Arduino Uno. Then we need a breadboard. By the way, again, you can follow if you have real circuits, you can still follow this as it's gonna do the same thing. And take out an LED, any color, it's good. And we'll go with a resistor, which is going to be 220 ohms. Okay. Now we have to connect the 5V of the Arduino Uno to the positive connection of the breadboard, and the GND to the negative connection of the breadboard. The next thing we're going to do is connect the negative of the breadboard to the cathode of the LED. The cathode of the LED is connected via the resistor. The next thing, we'll take our push button in this way. Now here's how a push button works. When you put the negative connection over there, don't do this right now if you're doing it, if you're following me. And yeah, okay, so if your negative connection and your positive connection. So how a push button works is that the negative connection goes to the cross like this. So when you push the button, the positive connection is gonna go on this line, and the negative in that is gonna intervert. So now what we're gonna do is we don't need the positive, we don't need the negative. What we need right now is we have to connect to the digital pin of 13 of Arduino, or you can put it in any other pin. I recommend using digital pin 13. Yeah. So here's your connection. Just cross-check everything once. Okay. I'll use blue this time. Color. Oh, there. A little change. Since we have done with the Arduino, we're gonna go ahead to the code. So in the C++ code. Now we're gonna make an integer, which is gonna be LED, and the LED is connected to pin 13. Next, in white setup, we have to initialize the pinMode, or you could put LED. And it's gonna be the output. Right. Now we just had the command to make the LED light up. High. And that's it. Now when you click your push button, this what happens. And how it works is that this LED is getting the negative connection. The positive connection is going through the push button. So when you click this, the positive connects that way. So your LED gets a high signal. So then this code could be reached using this. So I hope you enjoyed it and have a wonderful day.